Yep. Careful, it's hot. Yep. Yeah. Good job, CJ. Yeah. Okay. Hi everyone, good afternoon. My name is Edeline from Honey Pots. Today I will be cooking a traditional Filipino stir-fry noodles called pancit. And I have a little helper here to help me cook pancit. Hi CJ! Hi! The ingredients you will need are chopped onions, chopped garlic, chicken breast, soy sauce, salt, celery, snow peas, carrots, oil, and cabbage. And of course, our pancit noodles, or in a common term, we call it vermicelli. We need oil. Yeah, this is about 2 to 3 spoonfuls. Then, let it warm. Okay, to start off, we'll have our garlic saute. Then followed by our onions. Mix. Chicken. Yep.
Too much.
Yeah. Mix it all together until the chicken is ready, so that the meat will cook. Yeah, very good. Okay, let's have a look. Almost ready.
Why not putting that? This
We will wait until the meat is cooked and then we can add the noodles. Carrots. Yep. Good job. Okay, then we will add the carrots. It smells good, CJ. Can you smell it? Huh? Yep. Just a little bit of celery. Okay, that should be enough. And mix it in.
with the celery.
The celery is yummy. And then we can add the noodles.
Pancit.
Pancit. Okay.
Pancit.
Pancit.
Meat.
Okay, it's almost ready.
About this roll.
Cabbage. Yeah.
All of them.
Not all of them. Just little bit. That should be enough. Kasi ang liit. We will cover a bit so that the veggies will cook through. And here is our cooked pancit. Enjoy, everyone.